At some point, almost everyone runs into a situation where recording the screen becomes necessary. OBS Studio has become one of the most trusted tools for screen recording, and once you understand how it works, it can handle almost any recording task you throw at it. OBS Studio is a free and open-source application designed for screen recording and live streaming. Getting started begins with downloading the software from the official OBS website. You simply choose your operating system and follow the installation steps like you would with any other application. Once installed and launched for the first time, OBS presents you with its main interface, which might look complex at first glance. However, this layout is designed to give you control over every part of your recording, and once you understand the basics, it quickly becomes intuitive. On the first launch, OBS usually opens a setup assistant that helps configure initial settings. This assistant is useful because it asks a few simple questions about what you want to do, such as whether your primary goal is recording or streaming. Based on your selection, OBS automatically applies recommended settings that balance quality and performance. These settings are not permanent and you can always adjust them later, but they provide a solid starting point. One of the early choices involves setting the base canvas resolution. This represents the size of the workspace OBS uses internally and is usually matched to your screen resolution. In most cases, leaving this at the default is the best option, especially if you are new. Alongside this, you'll choose a frame rate, which controls how smooth your recording looks. A higher frame rate results in smoother motion, while a lower one uses fewer system resources. Both options work well depending on what you are recording. After completing the initial setup, you arrive at the main OBS window. The interface is divided into sections, including scenes, sources, audio controls, and recording controls. Understanding how scenes and sources work is the key to using OBS effectively. A scene acts like a layout or collection of elements, while sources are the individual components that OBS records, such as your screen, microphone, or webcam. To record your screen, you begin by creating or selecting a scene. OBS often includes a default scene, which you can rename to keep things organized. Within that scene, you add a source that tells OBS what to capture. For full screen recording, display capture is the most straightforward option. This source records everything visible on a selected monitor, making it ideal for tutorials and demonstrations. When adding a display capture source, OBS asks which screen you want to record if you have multiple monitors. Selecting the correct display ensures that only the intended screen is captured. Once added, you'll see your screen appear in the preview area. In most cases, the capture automatically fits the canvas, so no resizing is required. If adjustments are needed, you can drag or resize the capture directly within the preview. While recording visuals is important, audio plays an equally critical role. If you want to include narration, you need to add a microphone source. This is done by adding an audio input capture source and selecting your microphone from the list of available devices. Once added, your microphone appears in the audio mixer, where you can see live audio levels. Monitoring these levels helps ensure that your voice is clear without being too quiet or distorted. OBS also allows you to record system audio, which includes sounds from applications, videos, or games. Adding an audio output capture source lets you capture whatever your computer is playing through its speakers or headphones. This is especially useful for tutorials involving software demonstrations or gameplay recordings where sound effects are important. With both microphone and system audio set up, you can balance their levels using the audio mixer. OBS provides sliders for each source, allowing you to adjust volumes in real time. You can also apply filters to improve audio quality, such as noise suppression to reduce background noise or compression to even out volume levels. These tools help create a more polished and professional sound. Before starting your recording, it's worth reviewing the recording settings. These are found in the Settings menu under the Output and Video sections. One important option is the recording location, which determines where your video files are saved. Choosing a folder that is easy to access can save time later when editing or sharing your recordings. Another key setting is the recording format.
Different formats offer different advantages. Some formats prioritize safety, ensuring that recordings are saved even if something goes wrong, while others focus on compatibility with editing software and media players. OBS provides flexible options, so you can choose what best suits your workflow. If needed, OBS also includes tools to convert recordings into other formats after the fact. The encoder setting controls how your video is processed during recording. If your system includes a dedicated graphics card, using a hardware encoder can improve performance and reduce strain on your processor. OBS typically detects available encoders and offers suitable options, making it easier to choose the right one. Video settings allow you to define the final resolution and frame rate of your recording. While the base canvas resolution matches your screen, the output resolution determines the size of the final video file. Lowering the output resolution can help reduce file size and system load, which is useful on less powerful machines. Matching the frame rate across your recording setup helps keep audio and video in sync. Once everything is configured, starting a recording is simple. The control panel includes a clear Start Recording button. After clicking it, you can minimize OBS and continue using your computer normally while everything is captured in the background. OBS also includes pause functionality, allowing you to temporarily stop recording without creating separate files. When you finish recording, clicking Stop Recording saves the file to your chosen location. OBS makes it easy to access your recordings directly through the File menu, so you can quickly review the result. Watching the recording afterward helps confirm that both audio and video were captured as expected. Beyond basic screen recording, OBS offers advanced features that allow you to enhance your content. One popular option is adding a webcam overlay. By adding a video capture device source, you can place a live camera feed on top of your screen recording. This is commonly used for tutorials and presentations, as it helps create a more personal connection with viewers. You can resize and reposition the webcam feed to fit your layout. OBS also supports layering and visibility controls. Sources higher in the list appear on top, and you can toggle visibility on and off without removing them. This makes it easy to switch between different layouts or temporarily hide elements during a recording. Customizing hotkeys let you start and stop recordings, mute audio, or switch scenes using keyboard shortcuts. This is especially useful when recording full-screen content, as it allows you to control OBS without bringing it into view. Customizing hotkeys can significantly speed up your workflow and make recording more seamless. Scenes can also be duplicated and customized for different purposes. For example, you might have one scene for full-screen recording, another that includes a webcam, and a third designed for presentations. Switching between scenes during a recording opens up creative possibilities and allows for more dynamic content. Over time, as you become more comfortable with OBS, you can explore additional settings and plugins that extend its capabilities. However, even with just the core features, OBS is more than capable of producing high-quality recordings suitable for professional use. The key is understanding how scenes, sources, audio, and settings work together. Learning OBS may feel overwhelming at first, but each part builds on the last. Once you grasp the fundamentals, the software becomes a flexible tool that adapts to your needs rather than limiting them. Whether you're recording simple tutorials or complex multi-source projects, OBS provides the control and reliability needed to get the job done. Long after the first recording is complete, the skills you gain from using OBS continue to pay off. Each new project becomes easier as your workflow improves and your confidence grows. And just when it starts to feel routine, you realize that having a free tool this powerful quietly changes the way you approach creating content right as the recording light fades and the screen returns to normal.